Jay's got the lens on the Costa del Sol graph, mastering the angles in the travel craft. Whitewashed of Estepona, flowered and sound, the perfect base camp on this coastal ground. Just a journey, probably min, and the Lucia gives a golden hint. Jay writes you, we're on the move, finding the rhythm, catching the groove. Your English is very good. Very good, yeah.
It's a big help. Thank you so much.
I don't know. They got every colour.
So there is which yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think look at all these hair.
Very good, very nice.
I think that might be the tower there.
Very nice. Good price.
I think it's that.
Any sort of logo?
I'm looking over here, isn't it? There it is.
That's like just like the paintings on the walls, aren't they?
Another poem here.
Yeah, because you could eat that.
Yeah. Find a nice coffee place.
Yeah.
Have a walk.
It's fine.
Hola.
I think I'm on my way back.
Ya nada más cuando ya llevo el COVID, ya ella ha hecho papel con él.
Such a sprawling area of streets.
Very like spreading his arms, his wings.
Yeah, the seagulls thought they were invading. He was invading their territory, I think. Yep, you could spend a long time exploring all of this area.
Absolutely.
Las luces, las has puesto, la bombilla, todo, que no.
I think the inland part is even better than the coast. Check out how tall the aerials are on these houses. Oh, this is the Orquidarium.
Oh, with that.
That's it, yeah.
See how much they want to charge.
I'm kind of getting a deja vu feeling again.
Are you?
Yeah, sure.
Two senior?
You are resident here in Spain?
No.
It's the same.
Okay, three then, three. Okay. So how much?
15.
Thank you.
And the toilets, if you want them.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Adiós.
Adiós.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Muy bien.
Yes. So I'm going to eat a banana on the way to the coffee place.
Shall we look for top-rated coffee this time rather than finding a random one?
Yeah.
See where there
Looks
is.
like there's one down there.
Anybody want a
Does it
banana?
look good?
Yeah. I'll have a
If
bit.
it looks good, we'll go to that one. Doesn't look like one. Oh, Mum, don't fall down.
It's already now.
Oh, okay. It's okay, because it's a certain width. That's it. Oh, he's going so fast, he's picking up dust on it. He's doing one.
Yeah. Making them a pretty shape.
In the shade. I wonder what I want to drink.
Swing it.
The difference might just be the amount of water in one of them. More water in a cappuccino, is it?
It's nice coffee.
It's nice and flavoursome. So I can't believe it. So if you go back to our lunch, have a rest, then it'll be time to take the car. And
So you're in charge of the directions.
rescue you.
There's a tiny little... That one represents the Virgin Mother. Possible cover photo here. So that's it for Estepona, but if you like this video, make sure you do check out this one because YouTube thinks that you're going to love it, and subscribe for more from this area.